So hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So I am going to tell one thing which is very important. In a village there was a person, and from last 5 years he was searching a perfect business for him. But he was not getting the exact business, the exact idea for which idea he is going to execute. He is not getting the perfect business to start, to execute, to get profit from that business, and he is searching from the last 5 years. But one day when he was laying on his bed and just he was thinking about the business idea, he got one idea that yes, in my village there is no any zoo. In cities there are a zoo, but it's so far from my village. So I can open a zoo in my village. So most of the people can come and visit our zoo. And in village also they will the zoo will attract more people to come. Now he decided to open a zoo in his village. Now he is preparing to build that zoo. He just opened a copy and paper and pen. Just he created lots of things about how he is going to open the zoo, how much square the earth is required, and how much price will take it to make a zoo, and how many types of animal I am going to keep there. Everything he decide. Now it took 2 years to build a zoo, and now the opening dates come. Now he opened the zoo and he kept the price of a zoo per person 200 rupees. Then there was no public, there was no visitors, no one is coming to his zoo. He was just thinking about that why no one is coming in my zoo. So he decreased the price from 200 to 150. Then he wait another one week. Then no one is coming. Then he was thinking, what is the problem? Why people are not coming? So he decreased the price from 100. Then he wait 1 or 2 weeks. Then no one is coming. So one day he decided that I am going to do it for free. Just he opened his zoo for the free for every people. Then immediately the huge crowd come to visit a zoo. The next day when he decreased the price from 100 to 0, the next day the huge crowd come to visit a zoo, and everyone entered in the zoo. Then he locked the door of the zoo from outside, and now everyone is inside the zoo. Now there is a very turning point in this story. Now he pick up a line that now to come out from the zoo, now it will take 5,000 rupees. What do you think? Now everyone is ready to pay 5,000 rupees to come out from the zoo, because he locked the door from outside. So what do you understand from this story? There is nothing, just today I learned a book summary, the Wired of storytelling. So I learned the art of storytelling. So I thought I have to share this with you all. And now also I am going to share some points about storytelling. Wired of Focus, there is a book. From that book there are 6 points which is very important to create, to build, or to say any story. So first point, which is focus. Which is focus? It means there may be one element in which we are going to focus in the story. And the second thing, which is emotion. We play with emotions in a story. And third thing, which is clear goal. There may be a clear goal in the story. And fourth thing is pattern. There may be pattern in the story. And fifth things, practice and intuitions. Practice and intuitions. And the sixth and last is let readers imagine. Imagination. So these are the 6 points which is very important to create and say a story. And you also know the powerful thing which is help to take decisions from the emotions, the art of storytelling. So thank you for today, and keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in next video.